Now he also began to look up the wolf as a guardian. Guardian means protector. Who protect anything, that is called a protector, guardian. Now he also began to look up the wolf is a protector of his flock. One day in the middle of tending means supervision. Super means when he was protecting, he was watching to his sheep. In that time, a little boy came to the field where the flock were grazing. Grazing means eating grass, and said to Tim, you can see in the picture, the boy came to Tim and said to Tim that your little lad had a fall. Lad means boy. Your little lad had a fall means he fell and has hurt his leg. He had a fall and hurt his leg. Who said? The little boy said to Tim. Tim understood that he was needed at home urgently. Now Tim understood that there is a urgent to go home. Urgently means quickly. Next, Tim did not hesitate means feel shy. Tim did not feel shy to make a decision to leave his flock in the field and go back to the farm to attend his son. He didn't think about the sheep. He didn't feel shy that I should leave the flock in the field or not. He immediately went back to the farm, to his home, to see the son. He said to the boy, now that's an emergency. He said to the boy that now this is an urgent. I am coming right away. He was sure that he could leave his sheep for a while since the wolf was there to keep watch. He was very sure because now he was trusting to the wolf now. That's why he was sure that wolf can protect my sheep and I can leave the sheep in the field because wolf is there and it will protect my sheep. That's why he leave the sheep in the field. So leaving the sheep entirely means fully in the charge of the wolf, he left because any other person was not there, only wolf was there, and he only in the trust of wolf he left the field. He was not long in returning because on reaching home he saw that his son had a minor injury which he was able to attend to at home. He didn't took much time. When he went to home, he saw that his boy was only have a little hurt, so he was able to attend at home. And after some time, he came back hurriedly means quickly. He came back to the field because it was the time to take the sheep back at home. When he came back, what did he find? What did he saw? The wolf had eaten most of the flock. He saw that the wolf had eaten most of the flock, and it was nowhere to be seen, and it was not anywhere. Carcasses means dead bodies. Carcasses means dead bodies of the dead sheep lay around everywhere. You can see in the picture everywhere there were dead bodies of the sheep. Tim sat down in shock after watching the dead bodies of his sheep. He sat down in shock, and after witnessing means seeing something that happened. Who saw something, that how it was happened, that person is called a witness. Okay, after seeing that the slaughter means murder, after seeing the murder of his sheep, he said to himself, what he said, serves me right means the wolf had done correct with him. Why? Because he moaned means cry. He cried to himself, after all I entrusted means I gave responsibility, the welfare of my flock, to a wolf. He said to himself that wolf had done correct with me because I gave the responsibility to the wolf. Even I know that wolf never will leave my sheep. Still, I trust on the wolf and I gave the responsibility to the wolf of my sheep. He paid a heavy price of his foolishness. That was of his foolishness because wolf was a harmful animal, and still he trusts on the harmful animal that it can protect his sheep. He trusts on it. That is the foolishness of this person. That was the foolishness of Tim. So that's why he was guilty. Okay students.